identifying linear functions from a table. Okay, so when we're identifying them from a table, we don't have a graph to look at to tell me if it has curves or if it's a straight line. All right, so there's a couple of different things we can do here. If you remember, the one thing we need to look for is the slope. Okay, and my slope formula is the change in y over the change in x. So slope formula would be y2 minus y1 or x2 minus x1. All right. Now I'm not asking you to do this formula for every single one of these. Okay. You could if you're not comfortable. All right. And again, make math your own. But if I wanted to, I could try to find a slope. All right. We're looking for a pattern. So if I start my y's 0 to 10, I added 10. 10 to 20, I added 10. Okay. So my change in y would be 10. My change in x, 7 to 8, I added 1. 8 to 9, I added 1. So my change in x is consistent. We add 1, giving us a slope of 10. If these are consistent, all right, then we are linear because that means that everything is moving at a constant rate. All right, so this would be linear. Great job. So look at this next one. The table shows a function. Is the function linear or nonlinear? So again, we remember our slope, y over x, change in y over change in x. 18 to 9, we went down 9. 9 to 0, down 9. 9 to 10, we went up 1. 10 to 11, we went up 1. So I would have negative 9 over 1. Everything is consistent. Therefore, this is linear. Awesome. So linear, nonlinear. Again, let's look at how these things change. So 18 to 10, down 8. 10 to 1, whoa, down 9. 15 to 16, up 1. 16 to 17, up 1. These are different, okay? When those are different, then we don't have a consistent rate of change. All right, so this one would be nonlinear. So what you're doing is you're finding your pattern, you're changing y, and then you're changing x's. Okay? If any of these are different, then it's nonlinear. They should be the same constant rate. Because when you have a straight line, you have a constant rate of change, like our stair steps, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. If they're different, they can't be down 8 over 1, down 9 over 6. Okay, it cannot be different because then you create a curve.